So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I will guide you with how you can summarize mails on your iPhone. So for this, we will use Apple AI. So make sure Apple Intelligence is enabled on your iPhone. Here's how. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. After this, make sure this toggle is enabled. Now go back to home screen. After this, open the Mail app on your iPhone. Now open the mail that you want to summarize. Now select the body of the mail to summarize it. After this, tap on Writing Tools. Here, tap on Summary. And this will generate the summary of the mail. So this is how you can summarize mails on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.